Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your Windows menu. When you click on the Windows icon or the Start icon, you realize that Windows is subdivided into three categories. The first category is the side menu, which you can see here. The second one is the applications menu, which includes the recently added and the most used application. Recently added are the applications that you recently installed. When you go on your right hand side again, you will have the container menu, which contains tiles of applications. Each container has a name which you can change. So in this moment, this is called productivity. When I click on the name, I can change it to prod. And when I hit on the enter button, that should automatically change for me. Also, if I decide to move a tile from one container to the other, all I have to do is to click on it, hold it, and move it to the container desired. And when I leave it, it remains in the container. What you can also do in here is to resize vertically and horizontally. I can't go past this because there are tiles inside these containers. In order to be able to delete the tiles, I have to click on the right side of the mouse and unpin from start, and this will delete it from the container. If I delete all of it from the container, this will automatically delete the container itself. So if I delete all the tiles from the container, it should delete this container, so you wouldn't see this name anymore. If you don't need these tiles menu, you can decide to permanently delete them. And you can resize it. In this case, you have your traditional menu. If you want to add any application to your container, all you have to do is to click on the right side of the mouse and click on pin to start. And this will create a new tile. And you can give it a new name. Text document, text applications. On desktop, right click of your mouse, and when you go on personalize, go on start, and here you have further options. When you enable these options, you start full screen. Whenever you click on the start, it takes the space of your whole desktop. So you can go to all apps, and this will bring up all your application. Or you can decide to go to your pinned tiles. This is the location in which you can enable or disable the most recently added apps or installed files, and the show most used applications. The last thing I want to show you in here is that for the first section of your start menu, you can select which folders to appear in here. So in that regard, go to choose which folders appear on start. When you click it, it will give you different options. And you can enable any of these options so that whenever you click on your start, you can see them on the side menu. So for example, if I enable videos and pictures, when I go back to my start, I can see videos and pictures. In the colors, you can decide to give your start bar any color at all. So you can decide to adjust the color according to your background or customize it on your own by selecting your preferred color. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.